Okay, today we're going to talk a bit about all natural insect spray. Heading off into the summer season, it might be something that you want to consider. It's also something that if you're using with smaller children and you don't want to spray it directly on their skin, you can spray their clothing, their shoes, hats, and so forth. So a few of our ingredients that I've used in this recipe is the lavender oil and again the witch hazel. And we've just have a small glass bottle here, and the recipe that I've used here was just with 100 mils, so 20 teaspoons of the witch hazel and 2 teaspoons of the lavender oil, and that works out to a ratio of 10:1. And it's just a very simple recipe that's very effective. So we're just going to let you zero in on the recipe there. And also I wanted to just leave a few notes with you. The essential oils are very strong, and so they will, on plastic, you wouldn't necessarily want to use it because they could melt the plastic. So glass is best to use. And then again, you want to keep it away from eyes and mouth and so forth. And I just wanted to leave you also with some simple itch and sting relief remedies. And again, this is found in the Simple Living Well book with some great ideas. So just let the camera zero in on some of those remedies that you might find useful heading off into the summer. Great, thanks for joining us.